I think it's a little hard to see how much detail goes into these pieces in photographs. They're very strong. They have a solid back. It's a lot of threading and kind of determining just exactly what goes where, even though it looks kind of willy-nilly. It isn't. There's a lot of, this isn't coming out the way I want to. Oh, yeah, I like that. And then, of course, just trying to get the best shots you can so that you can see the depth. It's really pretty and it looks really good as a nice little piece of art. Expensive, perhaps, but worth it.